So Jumptask is another way for that users can actually earn some money. You can earn BNB. You can also earn Jumptask tokens that can be swapped to either USDT or BNB. So I'm gonna be showing you how to create an account here in this Jumptask and how to get started. So watch this video to the end so that I don't do mistake whatsoever. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to click right here, open the link, use the link I'll be dropping at the video description, open it, and then you just click on that continue button right there, and then you go ahead and click on again, continue again, claim daily reward, because you are going to be claiming daily reward. Now you'll be asked to link either your continue with your Google, or you can continue with your Facebook. All right, so just go ahead and click on continue with Google. All right, then it's going to bring out your Google account, list of Google account for you to link through. Nope. Just go and enable your VPN. Here I'm using proxy VPN. All right, you can use any VPN of your choice. Just enable it, and then after enabling it, you can go back to that Jumptask and go and try opening the account again. It is going to create automatically. All right, that's if you try to register without using VPN and it shows fail to log in Jumptask, just minimize and then go and on a VPN. Any VPN of your choice is okay. I hope this is clear enough. Now you just wait for this VPN to connect, and after connecting, we'll just go back. So it hasn't connected, but let's just go back again and try logging in again while we wait for it to connect. This key is showing that it is connected. Let's try it again now. All right, you can see that it has connected, it has worked. So use VPN whenever it gives you issue logging in. Okay, so right here you select any of the emails that you want to be using to be accessing this Jumptask. All right, from the list of emails there, select any one of your choice. So just go ahead and select one, and then go ahead and click on continue as Wales Crypto DeFi. Then wait for it to load, and kindly ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. All right, then give it a little time while the server loads up your information and saves it for you. So congratulations, you can see here now that it has shown. All right, this is the interface. You have successfully registered the Jumptask app. So what you have to do every day, as soon as you log into this app every day, just scroll down to where you have this daily claim. You click on it to claim rewards every day. It's going to show up this. Just go ahead and click on agree to continue. Okay, now you are agreeing for you to be collecting some free USDT every day. Now you can see that today I have claimed 0.01.5 USDT. Now the other ways to earn in this app is you can use these sections to earn performing other tasks, and you can watch to earn reward, and you can also complete some tasks to also earn rewards. All right, so I'm going to be showing you step by step how to perform all of these tasks. So kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping that in-depth guide, you are going to be notified on time. All right, so now whenever I want to place your withdrawal right here in the app, you have to click right here, and then after clicking right there, it will take you to the section where you can link your wallet. All right, here is a section you can link your wallet. You can either decide to link your either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Meanwhile, note that the minimum you can withdraw from this Jumptask here is 0.5 GMPT, which is equivalent to 0.5 BNB. You can swap your GMPT to BNB and cash out immediately. All right, and I've also made a video of a separate video on how to withdraw. I'll still be dropping the link right at the video description. All right, so for you to add your wallet, just scroll down here to add your wallet, and then before you do that, you scroll up here and scroll up there, and then you can earn more by referring your friends, but it's not compulsory for you to refer anyone. All right, so you click on that end section. Whenever I click on that end section, it's going to take you to the list of available tasks that you can perform. All right, now for example, if you perform these fake tasks here, you can earn this amount from this app, and this, you can see that there are a lot of apps tasks here to perform. All right, if you can perform all of these tasks, you can be earning consecutively in less than no time. All right, and the withdrawal is very, very fast, guys. So for now, this is just a basic guide on how to register and get started, but I'm gonna be dropping more in-depth video on how to perform all these tasks are seen here. For those of you that are interested, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and let me know how you feel about this video. See you in the next video.